Our topic for today is about operations on rational numbers, specifically addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions, and addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of decimals. So let's start. Welcome! Are you excited for a fun learning session? I hope you are good and safe today. Let's start with addition and subtraction of fractions. Mag-umpisa muna tayo sa tinatawag nating similar fractions. Pag sinabi nating similar fractions, sila yung mga fractions na may parehas na denominator. Okay, halimbawa, 2/5 plus 1/5. Okay, so parehas sila ng denominator. Similar fraction sila. So, ang gagawin natin dyan, i-add lang natin yung numerator. So, 2 plus 1 will give you 3. Then, kokopyahin lang natin yung common denominator nila. Ang common denominator ay 5. Therefore, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, another example. 4/9 plus 3/9 will give you 4 plus 3 is 7. Then, kopyahin natin itong 9 na parehas na denominator. Okay, so ang final answer natin is 7/9. Okay, another example. 3/10 plus 5/10. Okay, so add natin yung numerator. So we have 3 plus 5 will give you 8. Then, kopyahin natin yung nasa baba na numbers or yung common denominator nila, which is 10. Okay, so kapag nakita natin na pwede pang i-lowest term, kailangan i-lowest term natin o i-simplify natin. Okay, so ito pwede pa siyang i-divide sa 2. Yung 8 and 10, nadi-divide pa sila sa 2 para ang magiging sagot natin ay nasa simplest form. So, 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. Okay, so si 4/5, wala na tayong pwedeng i-divide sa kanilang dalawa. Therefore, ito na yung final answer natin kasi naka-simplify na siya. Okay, kapag subtraction naman. Example, we have 8/5 minus 2/5 is equal to, okay, gaya ng ginagawa natin sa addition of fraction, kapag parehas ng denominator, dito sa subtraction, ima-minus naman natin siya imbes na i-add. So, 8 minus 2 will give you 6. Then, kopyahin lang din natin yung denominator. Okay, so we have 6/5. Okay, another example. 1/3 minus 2/3. Okay, so 1 minus 2 will give you -1. Then, kopyahin lang natin yung common denominator, which is 3. Another example, 9/10 minus 7/10. Okay, so 9 minus 7 will give you 2. Then, copy the common denominator, which is 10. Ngayon, si 2/10, pwede pa natin siyang i-simplify. So, pwede pa tayong mag-divide kay 2/10 ng 2. Okay? So, 2 divided by 2 will give you 1, and 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. Okay, so eto, nakasimplify na siya. Therefore, eto na yung final answer natin. Okay, so sana naintindihan yung addition and subtraction of similar fraction. Okay, paano naman kapag magkaiba sila ng denominator? Okay, so let's have an example. Example number 1, we have 1/2 plus 3/4. Okay, so yung gagawin natin, hahanap tayo ng LCD or yung tinatawag nating least common denominator. Kailangan kasi maging parehas sila ng denominator. Okay, ang unang step, iisip tayo ng number na pwede nating ipang-divide kay 4 at kay 2. Okay, so pwede ang 4. Yung si 4, pwede nating i-divide kay 4, syempre sa sarili niya. And si 2, pwede din nating i-divide kay 4. Okay, so gagawa tayo ulit ng dalawang fraction dyan. Ayan, so 4 and 4. Okay, then ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin. Dito muna tayo sa unang fraction natin, kay 1/2. Okay, 4 divided by 2. Okay, divide natin. 4 divided by 2 will give you 2. Okay, then ita-times naman natin ito sa taas. Okay, 2 times 1 will give you 2. Okay, ulitin ko. I-divide natin sa baba. Okay, so nakuha natin 2, then i-multiply natin sa numerator. Okay, next. Dito naman tayo sa pangalawa. So, ganun din, 4 divided by 4 will give you 1. Then, times natin sa numerator, 1 times 3 will give you 3. Okay, so we have here 2 plus 3 will give you 5. Then, kopyahin na lang natin yung common denominator, which is 4. Okay? So, i-apply natin yung ginawa natin dun sa mga naunang example kasi parehas na sila ng denominator. Another example, we have 5 over 6 plus 2 over 3. Okay. So, isip tayo ulit ng number na pwede nating pang-divide kay 6 at saka kay 3. Yes, pwede si 6. Si 6, pwede nating i-divide sa sarili niya and pwede din nating i-divide yung 3 kay 6. Okay, so 6 divided by 6 will give you 1. Then 1 times 5 will give you 5. Okay, dito na tayo sa pangalawang fraction. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then 2 times 2 will give you 4. Okay, dahil parehas na sila, pwede na tayong mag-add. 5 plus 4 will give you 9. Then, kopyahin na lang natin itong common denominator, which is 6. Okay, kung mapapansin nyo, si 9 over 6, pwede pa siyang isimplify. So, pwede tayong mag-divide dito ng 3. Okay, so 9 divided by 3 will give you 3. Then, 6 divided by 3 will give you 2. So, ito yung final answer natin. Okay, ganun din naman kapag sa subtraction. Okay, for example, we have 3 over 5 minus 1 over 2 or 1/2. Okay, so iisip tayo ulit ng number na pwede nating pang-divide kay 5 at saka kay 2. Okay, so we have 10. Okay, minus yan. Okay, so 10 divided by 5 will give you 2. Then 2 times 3 will give you 6. Ganun din yung gagawin natin sa kabila. 10 divided by 2 will give you 5. Then 5 times 1 is 5. Okay. Then 6 minus 5 will give you 1. Then kopyahin natin yung 10 kasi parehas na sila ng denominator. Okay. So we have 1 over 10. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple kapag dissimilar fraction naman. Okay, so kailangan lang nating umisip ng LCD para maging parehas yung denominator. Kasi tandaan natin, hindi tayo makakapag-add and subtract ng fraction kapag hindi sila parehas ng denominator. Okay, so pwede na tayong mag-move sa next topic, which is multiplication and division of fractions. Okay, so unahin muna natin ang multiplication. Sa multiplication and division of fractions naman, hindi na natin kinakailangan na pagparehasin pa yung kanilang denominator. Okay, so let's have an example. We have 1/2 times 2 over 3. Okay, so ang gagawin lang natin dyan, simpleng-simple lang. I-multiply natin ang numerator, then i-multiply din natin ang denominator. So, 1 times 2 will give you 2. 2 times 3 will give you 6. Okay, then kapag pwede pang i-lowest term, ilo-lowest term natin. So, dito, pwede pa tayong mag-divide ng 2. Okay, 2 divided by 2 will give you 1. 6 divided by 2 will give you 3. Therefore, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, another example. We have 2 over 5 times 3 over 5. Okay. So, hindi dahil pareha sila ng denominator, ay kokopyahin natin. So, kapag multiplication, multiply lang natin ang numerator, multiply ang denominator. 2 times 3 will give you 6. 5 times 5 will give you 25. Okay, so sa tingin nyo ba, yung 6 over 25 may lowest term pa? Okay, so kung wala na, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, another example. We have 4 over 9 times 1 over 4. Okay, so multiply ang numerator, multiply din ang denominator. 4 times 1 is 4. 9 times 4 is 36. Okay, sa tingin nyo, may lowest term pa ito? Yes. So, pwede tayong mag-divide ng 4 sa kanilang dalawa. So, 4 divided by 4 will give you 1. 36 divided by 4 will give you 9. Okay, another example. We have 3/8 times 3/8. Halimbawa, parehas. Okay, so ganun pa rin yung process. 3 times 3 will give you 9. 8 times 8 will give you 64. Okay, kung sa tingin nyo, wala na siyang lowest term, therefore, eto na yung final answer natin. Okay, so tapos na tayo sa multiplication. Move naman tayo sa division of fractions. Okay, so division of fractions na tayo. So for example, we have 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 4. Okay, so kapag division of fraction naman, ia-apply naman natin yung knowledge natin sa multiplication of fraction, maliban sa isang rule. Okay, kukunin natin yung reciprocal ng pangalawang number or yung dinidivide natin. Okay, so we have 1/3. Pag sinabi natin reciprocal is yung kabaliktaran niya. Okay, ang kabaliktaran ng 1/4 ay 4 over 1. Then, mag-change tayo ng operation. So, imbis na division, magiging multiplication. Okay, ulitin ko yung step. Kukunin natin yung reciprocal or kabaliktaran ng number na dinidivide natin. Okay, yung 1/4 naging 4 over 1. Then, imbis na division, magiging multiplication ang operation natin. Then, kapag multiplication na yan, magmumultiply na tayo. So, 1 times 4 will give you 4. 3 times 1 will give you 3. Then, ilo-lowest term natin kapag pwede. So, ito, dahil hindi na siya pwedeng ilo-lowest term, ito na yung final answer natin. Okay, another example. We have 2 over 5 divided by 1 over 5. Okay. So, kopyahin natin itong unang fraction natin. We have 2 over 5. Then, change natin yung operation natin to multiplication. Then, kunin natin yung reciprocal ng pangalawang fraction natin. So, 1 over 5 magiging 5 over 1. Then, proceed na tayo sa pagmumultiply ng fraction. 2 times 5 will give you 10. 5 times 1 will give you 5. Okay, then lowest term natin or i-divide natin. 10 divided by 5 or 10 over 5 will give you 2. Okay, so ito na yung final answer natin. 5 over 6 divided by 7 over 6. Okay, so we have 5 over 6. Kopyahin natin. Then, magiging multiplication yung operation. Then, etong 7 over 6, magiging 6 over 7. Kunin natin yung reciprocal niya. Okay, then, multiply na tayo. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 7 is 42. Okay, then get the lowest term or simplify natin if possible or kung pwede. Okay, so pwede tayong mag-divide sa kanila ng 6. So 30 divided by 6 will give you 5 and 42 divided by 6 will give you 7. Therefore, eto na yung final answer natin. So, tapos na tayo sa pag-add, subtract, multiply, and divide ng fractions. Therefore, punta na tayo sa decimals. Okay, addition and subtraction of decimals. Ang pag-add and subtract ng decimal ay parang pag-add and subtract din ng whole numbers. Okay, so let's try. Okay, so for example, we have 1.23 plus 0.4. Okay, so yan yung binigay sa'yo. Ang unang step is isusulat natin siya pababa kung paano tayo nag-add din ng numbers. Okay, so we have 1.23 then 0.4. Okay, so take note lang, kapag isusulat natin ito ng pababa ay kailangan i-align natin yung kanilang mga decimal. Okay, so 0.4. Okay, so kailangan magkapantay yung decimal point nila. Okay, so let's add. Huwag nyong iisipin or papansinin muna yung decimal point para hindi kayo maguluhan. So halimbawa, nag-add lang tayo ng whole number. So we have 3, we have 6, and 1 plus 0 is 1. Then lagay lang natin, i-align natin yung decimal point. Okay, therefore, ang sagot natin is 1.63. Okay, example number 2. 10.007 plus 3.241. Okay, so yung first step natin is isulat natin siya ng pababa. So we have 10.007, ayan, and 3.241. Okay, so imbes na dito natin siya isusulat dyan, hindi, i-align kasi natin yung ating decimal point. So dito siya, 3 point, kailangan magpantay sila, pantay yung ating mga decimal point. 2, 4, 1. Okay, then mag-add na tayo. 7 plus 1 is 8. Then 4, 2, tapos yung decimal point natin, 3, and 1. Okay, so ganun lang kasimple. So we have 13.248 thousandths. So ganun lang kasimple kapag nag-a-add tayo ng decimals. Ang importante na laging tatandaan is kailangan pantay sila ng decimal point, and kung paano kayo nag-a-add ng whole number, ganun din kayo mag-a-add ng decimals. So, punta na tayo sa pagsusubtract ng decimals. Okay. For example, let us subtract 35.64 minus 4.393. Okay. Gaya ng ginagawa natin sa pag-add ng decimal, susulat din natin siya pa-vertical. Okay. So, we have 35.64. Then, ganun din, i-align natin yung decimal point. So, nandito yung decimal point, then 4,393. Okay, then, ang operation ay minus. Okay, so, dahil kulang siya dito sa unang number natin, mag-a-add tayo ng 0. Okay, ganun naman pag whole number, diba? Then, minus na tayo. So, we have here 10. Okay, hihiram tayo dito sa 4, kaya ito magiging 3 na lang. Okay, so 10 minus 3 will give you 7. Then 3 minus 9, hindi pwede. So, manghihiram tayo ng isa dyan. So, ito magiging 5. Okay, 13 minus 9 will give you 4. Okay, 5 minus 3, pwede naman siya. So, 2. Okay, then yung decimal point, 5 minus 4 is 1, and bring down 3. Okay, so therefore, ang sagot natin ay and 247 thousandths. Okay, next. For example, 114.33 or 114 and 33 hundredths minus 14, halimbawa, whole number naman. So, we have 114.33 then minus, okay, wala tayong decimal dito, pero automatic kasi kapag whole number, meron tayong 0.00. Halimbawa, 14 pesos, diba? 14 din yun. So, parang dito siya. Kailangan, bigyan din yan. Okay, so kapag whole number yung ima-minus natin, dun siya din, dun sa part na whole number. Huwag nyo siyang ilalagay dito sa decimal. Okay? So, minus na natin. So, bring down lang natin yan. 33 kasi wala naman tayong ima-minus dyan. Or kung gusto nyo mag-add kayo ng 0, ganun din. 3 minus 0, 3. 3 minus 0, 3. Then 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Then 1. Okay, so ito na yung final answer natin. 100 and 33 hundredths. Okay, next. Multiplication and division of decimal. Okay, unahin muna natin yung multiplication of decimal. Okay, so sa pagmumultiply din ng decimal ay parang pagmumultiply din ng whole numbers. Okay? So, for example, we have 1.3 times 2.01. Maliban sa hindi kailangang i-align yung mga decimal point. Okay? Unlike sa addition and subtraction. Okay, so multiply natin yan. Okay, so bibigyan ko kayo ng technique kapag nagmumultiply tayo ng decimal. Halimbawa, yan yung binigay sa inyo, 1.3 times 2.01. Pwede nyo itong baliktarin. I mean, di ba, pag nag-multiply kayo ng mga whole number, halimbawa, 2 times 1, parehas lang siya sa 1 times 2. Ganon din naman dito. So, para hindi mas mahaba yung pag-a-add natin, baliktarin na lang natin. Alam naman natin pag minultiply natin yan, ganyan. So, bali magiging 3 yung pag-a-add natin. So, para hindi mahaba, baliktarin natin 2.01. Yung mas konting number, siya yung nasa baba. Parehas lang naman yung sagot. Para mas mabilis lang yung pag-multiply natin. Pero pwede rin namang ito yung gawin nyo. So, disregard nyo muna. Halimbawa, hindi nyo nakikita yung decimal point dyan. Okay, mag-multiply tayo gaya ng pag-multiply nyo ng mga whole numbers. Okay, so 3. Dito muna tayo sa unang number, sa 3. 3 times 1 will give you 3. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, then tapos na tayo doon. Dito naman tayo sa 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Iurong natin. So, dito na siya. 1 times 0 is 0. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. So, we have 3. Then, 0 plus 1, 1. 6 plus 0, 6. Then, bring down 2. Okay. Yan na ba yung final answer? Hindi pa. Okay. So, dito na papasok yung rule natin sa decimal. Bibilangin lang natin yan. Ilan ba yung nasa right side? Ibig sabihin, di ba, ito yung whole number natin, whole number. Ito yung mga decimal numbers natin. 1, 2, 3. Okay, therefore, 1, 2, 3. Dito tayo magpo-point. Okay, therefore, ang final answer natin is 2.613 or 2 and 613 thousandths. Pangalawang example, we have 0.05 times 3.13. Okay, so kapag ganyan, parehas naman silang tatlo, wala na tayong magagawa dyan. Hindi na natin pwedeng baliktarin kasi same lang naman. So, yan na yung gamitin natin. We have 0.05 times 3.13. Okay, so 3 times 5, dito muna tayo sa unang number, is 15. Okay, carry 1. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1, 1. 3 times 0 is 0. Okay, then sa 1 na tayo. 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 0 ulit, 0. Okay, then, urong natin ulit. Dito naman tayo magsusulat. 3 times 5 ulit is 15. Carry 1 ulit. 3 times 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 times 0 is 0. Okay, then mag-a-add na tayo. We have 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then, 5 plus 0 is 5. 0 plus 1, 1. Then, bring down 0. Okay, bilangan natin. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 yung number pagkatapos ng decimal. Ayan, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So, doon tayo maglalagay ng point doon sa ika-4. Okay. So, ang final answer natin is 0.1565. Or, we have 0 and 1,565 10,000s. Okay. Next is division of decimals. Okay. For example, we have 20.13 divided by 2.5. Okay. So, again, gaya dun sa multiplication, kung paano tayo nagde-divide ng whole number, ganun din tayo magde-divide ng decimals. Okay, so we have 2013 or 20.13 divided by 25 or 2.5. Ayan. So, parang iisipin nyo na 2013 to, ito ay 25. Okay, pero kapag magde-divide tayo ng decimals, kailangan nating mag-move para mahanap natin kung saan natin banda ilalagay yung decimal point sa ating sagot. Okay, ito yung magiging basis natin, yung 2.5. Kailangan maging whole number siya, so i-move natin siya ng isa. Ayan, pag nag-move tayo ng isa dyan, kung ilan yung minove natin, i-move din natin dito sa loob. So, dito. Ayan, dito na siya sa 1. Okay, therefore, dyan sa tapat niyan, dyan yung decimal point natin sa sagot. Okay? Then, let's answer. Okay. 20 divided by 25, pwede ba? Hindi. So, dito tayo agad sa 201. 201 divided by 25, pwede ba? Yes, pwede. So, we have 8. Okay. So, meron tayong 8 na 25 sa 201. Then, multiply natin. 25 times 8 will give you 200. Okay. Then, 201 minus 200 is 1. Then, bring down natin yung 3. Okay. 13 divided by 25 is 0. Okay. Then, add tayo ng 0. Okay, 130 divided by 25, ilan? So, we have 5. Okay, 5 times 25 is 125. Okay, then subtract natin ulit. 130 minus 125 is 5. Okay, then add tayo ulit ng 0. 50 divided by 25 is 2. Okay, then 25 times 2 is 50. Therefore, ito na yung final answer natin. 8.052 or we have 8 and 52 thousandths. Another example is we have 26.34 divided by 2. Halimbawa, whole number naman. Okay, so gawin din natin yan. 26.34 divided by 2. May kailangan ba tayong i-move dyan? So, dahil wala, kasi whole number naman yung nandito sa labas, okay, kung nasaan yung tapat nung nandun sa loob na number natin, dun din yung decimal point. Okay, itapat lang natin yung kanilang decimal point. Okay, then, let's divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay, 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, so we have 0 here. Tapos bring down natin yung 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, 0 na naman yan. Then bring down 3. Okay, so 3 divided by 2 is 1. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, then 3 minus 2 is 1. Then bring down 4. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 7 times 2 is 14. Okay, so 0 na yan. Therefore, ito na yung final answer natin, 13.17. Okay, so sana may natutunan kayo ngayong araw na to. Keep studying hard. Bye!